Hi everyone, my name's Miss Alexa and I'm Miss Amy's assistant for this summer. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tornado in a bottle. So what you'll need is a plastic bottle with a cap, and you have to make sure that it doesn't leak, some water, some glitter, and some dishwashing liquid. So first you want to take your bottle. I use just a regular plastic water bottle, and you can use any other bottle that's plastic with a cap. You can use a soda bottle. I wouldn't recommend using like a 2-liter bottle because those will be hard to shake and actually make the tornado. So take your plastic bottle and you're going to fill it up with water about 3/4 of the way. Next, what you're going to do is add a few drops of dishwashing liquid. So I really recommend not using too much, because if you use too much, there's going to be too much foam and it'll be harder to see the tornado. So just going to take not a lot at all of dishwashing liquid. So I didn't use a lot at all. I used a little bit more the other time I did this, and there was just too much foam, so I'm not going to use too much this time. Next, we're going to add a few pinches of glitter, so that'll help to actually show the tornado. So I'm just going to take some blue glitter. I'm going to take like 3 pinches. Might get a little bit messy, so try to do it over a table, and you can clean it up with a paper towel very easily. So then you're going to close it and make sure the cap is on really tight because you don't want it to leak. And then these steps need to be done very quickly. So what you're going to do is you're going to flip over the water bottle so that it's upside down, and then quickly shake it for a few seconds in a circular motion. So that'll help to make the tornado form. So I'm going to do it here. And then you'll see it at the bottom. You'll see the tornado at the bottom forming. It's right there. It keeps going for a little bit, and you can actually reuse this many times, as often as you want. You can see that there's a lot of foam, so and I used very little. You saw how little I used, so don't use too much. Yeah, you can keep reusing it. Just need to flip it over and shake it, and you'll see the tornado forming right here at the bottom. So, the science behind this. So, in middle school or high school, you'll learn about this a little bit more, but how this works is through a force called centripetal force. That's the inward force that keeps an object or fluid always moving towards the center of its path. So a tornado, when it's forming, it's always revolving around the center, so it doesn't fly out and get destroyed. It's intact because of this force. So that's the science behind that. I hope you enjoy making one of these. And like I said, you can reuse it as often as you want. You can use lots of different colors of glitter to make it more fun. But yeah, so I hope everyone's doing well, and I hope you enjoy this activity. Bye everyone, see you next time.